Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for a Dollar Tree DIY. So I'm going to be using these wood magnets, and they come in the different shapes, but I'm going to be using this, let's see what, octagon, is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a hectagon. So I'm going to be using this shape here, and all we're going to do is we're going to take them out, and they already have magnets on the back, and we're going to find our favorite piece of paper. It could be paper that you drew on, it could be some type of washi tape that you put on, but you're just going to take that, and let me think. I really like this one here, so I'm going to kind of see where that goes, like right there, and I'm going to cut along right around where I think it would go to put it in the center for me. Now I can't see very well, so I'm going to turn it, because I have to turn it over, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue on here. And I'm going to put enough that it covers. This is quick and easy. Now I'm not adding any more glue, I'm just kind of spreading it around. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to look one more time to see about where it goes and how I should get it. Yeah, if I put this pretty close to here, I should be able to get that in the right spot. And now I'm just moving it over, kind of looking to see where I think the middle is. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty good right here. And then as you do that, you just let it dry for a bit. And then once it's dry, you're just going to take some little scissors or paper snips. You're going to hold it against the edge, and you're just going to cut that off. Just cut that extra piece of paper off, and you're going to be able to make some great little magnets, either for yourself, or these would make great homemade Christmas gifts. And now I've got that cute little one there. And let's see, I think I have, I have another one, because they are so quick. That's a really pretty piece. Now I'm using designer series paper. You can use whatever you'd like, and if you want, you could even just put the glue right on here. You could also use Mod Podge and Mod Podge it on, but I like this glue and it stays. And then stick around, because I'm going to show you how I give it a nice finish as well. So I put that right on here. I don't need to know exactly where that goes. Just going to find myself a nice piece, and I think I'm just going to put it right on here so I have less cutting. So I'm just going to let that sit for a minute, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to show you that I bring in a little what is that called, a black light, and some top coat gel nail polish, and we're going to give this a nice little finish. So I'm going to take that clear nail polish, and we're going to put that right on here. And don't be afraid to use a good amount. It works just like a resin would, but it's quick and easy, and it already has its own little brush. And I just bring that over to the side, and it's kind of self-leveling, just like a resin would be, but you want to spread it out along your whole piece as well. So I'm doing that. And then I just kind of hold the edge, throw it down a couple times, Like I said, it is self-leveling. And then if it has any holes, you just take the heat, will bring it to the top to get rid of any of those holes. And then you just take this and turn it on, and you let it go. While I'm doing that, I'm going to move this over here away, and we'll cut the next one. And again, I'm just going to cut the pieces off, and I hold it right against the side. And get those pieces right off of there. And this would be a really nice gift or for a craft fair. And look at how cute that is. You could do this and put it on like maybe a card that you had already stamped using that same designer series paper, and that would just look adorable. So I'm going to cure that one more time. I'm going to put that on there while I am getting a clear coat on here. And now you don't have to put a lot if you don't want to. You could just do it like you would a nail polish for a very thin coat. I'll do that, a thin coat right here on this one. And it just gives a nice finish. And I'm going to go ahead and bring that one, and I will show you. There's the finish. You see that nice gloss that's on there? This is the back side of that same designer series paper. Just like that. Let me show you that one more time. And then the one we just did. And look at that. Isn't that cute? I'm going to cure that a little bit more. So, you guys, that's it. And that's all with these little wooden magnets. You can make them all to match. You can have somebody like maybe a little kid draw a picture on white paper and put it on there with white paper. But that would make a cute gift for like grandparents. So, all right, I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will talk to you later. Bye!